What's going on, guys? BDG Crypto here. If you like crypto mining, if you like crypto, hit the subscribe button, hit the likes, leave us a comment below. In today's video, we are just going to be doing a little unboxing. Got some goodies in, some maintenance needed for some rigs and so on. So let's check those things out. Alright guys, here we go. We're gonna try and do this one-handed like the legends out there, like Red Panda and Hobbyist and Chump Chains, all those guys. They're always one-handed. So let's see. I usually try and use a tripod because the struggle's real. First box, Amazon goodies. Couple 450 EVGA power supplies, ATX power supplies. Never know when you're gonna need those. Power motherboard or whatever, you know, little mini ASIC or something. So they're dirt cheap, like 25 bucks. So figured we'd get a couple, throw them on the shelf, let them hang out. And what else? 8 gigabytes of RAM. This little guy here. Little Antminer ASIC fan. We had a fan go out on our L3 Plus, and those things do not work once they go out. They will not hash. The thing detects it and shuts her down. Alright. I lost my razor blade already. Where'd it go? There it is. At the bottom? Yes. This is parallel miner package. More PCIe cables, because you can never have enough of those. What's this? Server power supply. Another piece here. There we go. I don't even remember how big this thing was. What'd we get? I think it was like 1200, maybe 750. Or no, I think, yeah, this was a 750 that we got. We're gonna build a 6600 XT rig on this guy, so we didn't need much. We could put 3 6600 XTs on one 750 watt power supply. So I think that's what that guy was. And then we got a little breakout board here. Plug on the end of that guy. This is not the ZSX, so it doesn't have the 24 pin and all that good stuff, so we'll probably end up using one of those ATX power slides to power the motherboard. So yeah, we'll do that. That will all end up going on this MSI motherboard with a AMD Ryzen CPU. Probably do a little CPU mining and GPU mining at once. And look at this. Shout out to Chump Chains and the Misfits for sending this guy over. This is actually a little giveaway winning on one of Chump Chains' videos. Surprisingly, we don't ever win giveaways, but somehow we won this one. Check that out. Hangers. Woo! And little goodies. Little clippers. This is awesome. Check these things out. Little Misfit Mining logo right in there. Misfit Mining on the bottom. Throw that screw through your GPU. All 3D printed and so on. Go to his Discord. You guys can order these. And then he does fan mounts as well for wire racks and so on. But these are all wire rack, GPU holders. So I'll leave a link for his Discord down below. Join that. There's a page in there basically where you can place your order and so on via PayPal and check what he has, and there's all kinds of different colors. Awesome stuff. So check those guys out. Otherwise, that's it for today. That's all we have to open. Feel free to comment below, hit the likes, subscribe if you haven't already. Thanks for watching, guys, and we will catch you next time.